Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find your member ID with United Healthcare. Let's get started. First, take your insurance card. Your member ID is usually printed on the front of the card. It may say member ID, ID number, or policy number. It usually a mix of letters and numbers. If you don't have your card, don't worry. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on My Plans at the bottom of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on My ID card. Your member ID will appear on the screen. This is one of the fastest options. Another option is to check your mail or emails. Your welcome letter, billing statement, or explanation of benefits may show your member ID. If you still can't find it, call member service. The phone number is on the United Healthcare website. Tell them you need help finding your member ID. They will ask for your name and date of the birth and help you right away. And that's it. That's how you find your United Healthcare Member ID using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.